Hello there and assalamu alaikum my dear and bright students. This is your teacher Shugufta Faisal, and today we will talk about the forest and the importance of forest. Alhamdulillah, Almighty Allah have given us tremendous topography, and in this whole world we have variety of things which are very valuable and they have immense value. If we talk about the forest, so forest, natural forest or the plantation, we have two varieties of forest over here in the world. So whether both varieties are having different type of values in different type of states or region. The forest is a precious gift of Almighty Allah, and it has innumerable benefits all around the world. If we talk about the importance of the forest, that exactly we do have very much importance in the society. Whether this advantages or these benefits are visualized, we can vision it easily, or whether these benefits are more far than which we can see. Forests are the natural habitat of a wildlife, and as you know that more than 90% of species all around the world are going to be extinct, are endangered species now, because we are getting rid of forests to do the urbanization, to do the industrialization, or etc. and etc. Human beings are spreading like a parasite all around the world, and they need to have space, they need to have different facilities, they need to have different land sector to cultivate or to facilitate their population in the world. So first of all, if we talk about the importance of the forest, so the forest is the natural source of our oxygen. We are getting 100% our oxygen from the forest, especially if we talk about the Amazon forest. The Amazon forests are also known as the lungs of the planet Earth. If we are not having that Amazon forest, then there will be no oxygen in the world. So forests are the natural source of oxygen, and wildlife habitat is over there in the forest. On the other hand, human life is also depend on the forest one way or another. As I told you, we can whether we can visualize it or whether we can calculate it, that how a human life is very much depend on the forest. We are getting fruits, we are getting all types of wood, and to make our furniture, and to build our to do any construction. We are getting honey bees from there, and we are having herbs and shrubs to work on the medicine industry, and we are getting different type of papers, gum, rubber, spices, herbs, lots and lots of things which you cannot even count them. And this forest, all of these forests are the major part of our secondary industry. They are providing us the raw material for the secondary industry as well. In one hand, forests are giving us wood for the furniture, to make doors and windows, and extract all these things. On the other hand, this wood is also can be used as a fuel to heat ourselves, or to make use in a cooking or heating, or as a power resource. We are also getting it. As I told you, through the herbs we are getting different types of, we are inhaling, and we are treating indigenous diseases all around the world through these herbs and different type of medicines. Trees are also absorbing excess amount of rainwater, and they are preventing the soil erosion, which is a very dangerous, you can say, a problem all around the world for the farmers, and for to do the cultivation. We are facing the soil erosion, we are having flood situation. So if we are cultivating more trees, if we are planting more trees, then that's means that we are stopping the flood water, we are stopping the soil erosion. So as I told you, trees are giving us oxygen. How they are giving us oxygen? Because we are exhaling So trees are absorbing all that carbon dioxide which we are exhaling in our atmosphere, and they are making they are taking that carbon dioxide and giving us back the oxygen levels. So that there is a balancing of all these gases in the atmosphere because of these trees and the forest. So if we are having more trees in our area, so we are getting more fresh air. The atmosphere will be so filtered, atmosphere will be so healthy for our kids, for ourselves, and we are gaining the fresh air if we are having more plants and more trees around us. So these are the natural process of getting rid of germs from the atmosphere or giving us a filter air in our surrounding. You must have noticed if you are in any park or any zoo or in any forest area, so your mood get very much better, and this surrounding of mother nature, the surrounding scenery will enhance your mood, and you will feel much better after looking at the beauty of the forest, after looking at the beauty of the nature. And those views are breathtaking if we are living in a forest area. If we are spending night with our scouts, you must have heard about the night of night scouting, and our students used to go over there and spend their night in the forest, and the view, the scenery is always breathtaking over there in the forest area. As I told you that it's a natural habitat for all the wild animals to live over there in the forest area, and mostly our animals are right now endangered species. So we have to have a good care of these species, and we can give them care. We should not cut down the trees. We should always save our trees. We should have more plantation. So this type of activities, this type of awareness should be given to our children. This type of awareness should be given to our youngsters, that these trees are our assets and we have to take care of them. If we are cutting down one tree, then we have to plant 5 trees, and we have to take care of them, those trees, after planting. It's not this is not the thing that you have just planted the tree and then you just went away to your home and you have just neglected it. You have to take care of those plants, and you have to be in that situation while they are growing, and until unless that particular plant gets into the tree form. So government should take a step, and nowadays in different government sectors, this is a huge department. This is a huge talk regarding protecting the trees and how we can prevent cutting down the trees, and how we can encourage our youngsters and our citizens to plant more trees in our surrounding areas. These trees and forests are the valuable assets of our country, of any country, and I think, and I motivate all those higher authorities that we can have more tourism while we are having forest in our area. We can invite more people over there, our places, to have a look and spend a night or spend a day with the mother nature, and they have to while you are growing more trees, while you are giving more plantation to the trees, there is no need to have bird in a cage in your home. The birds will be living in those trees, and you can listen to their mesmerizing sound of the birds and the variety of birds which are now extinct or in danger right now. So there is no need to have a cage of bird at your home. Just have a tree nearby your home, and you will see variety of birds over there who are living over there, and you can listen the sound of the bird nearby your home. Right guys, so hopefully inshallah taala you will plant more trees, and you will care about more regarding the forest, and we will do we will take the steps, more further step, to stop unnecessary cutting down of the trees, and inshallah taala our planet will be a better place to live. Thank you.